Triplet Trouble and the Cookie Contest, written by Debbie Dady and Marcia Thornton Jones, published by Scholastic. Chapter 3. The next day at school, our teacher, Mr. Parker, held up a sign. In big blue letters, it said, "Spelling Test." I started to groan, but I didn't. I didn't want to be rude. Alex didn't care. She groaned really loud. Mr. Parker stared at Alex for a minute. Alex stopped groaning and played with one of the leaves in her hair. "Now I have a list of words for you to learn to spell by Friday," Mr. Parker said with a big smile. I looked around the room. Mr. Parker was the only one smiling. I guess no one else thought a spelling test was funny. "Don't worry," Mr. Parker said as he passed out the list. "I'm sure you can already spell many of the words." I looked at the list. Maybe this test wouldn't be so bad. I did know most of the words. Cook, book, look, hook, nook, shook, took, and a bunch of other words with 2 O's in them. The last 2 were terribly hard, Halloween and October. I didn't know if I could ever learn those. Adam Tucker sits next to me. After he looked at the list, he started to smile, just like Mr. Parker. Adam is so smart. He probably already knew how to spell Halloween. Alex looked at the list and started smiling, too. I'm sure Alex didn't know how to spell Halloween. Why was she smiling? "I know how to spell cook," Alex bragged. "As a matter of fact, after today, I'll be the best cook in the world." "Why is that?" a girl named Maria asked. "Because Miss Crankshaw is going to show me how to bake cookies today," Alex announced with a big smile. "That's not fair," Ashley said. "I have ballet after school." "I want to make cookies too." "Me too," Adam complained, "but Sam and I are going to Randy's house." "Don't worry," Alex said. "I'll save you some cookies to eat." Randy rolled his wheelchair up beside Alex. Maybe Mr. Parker should add the word cookie to the spelling test. I looked up at Mr. Parker. I hope he wouldn't add any more words. There were already too many for me. Mr. Parker rubbed his chin and looked at Alex. "Perhaps Alex will bring cookies for the whole class." "I bet the only cookies you make are burnt ones," another girl named Roberta teased. "That's not true," Alex snapped. "I'll make the best cookies ever. Just wait until tomorrow. You'll see."